Hello guys, annyeong. I'm back again with another unboxing session, and this time I'm gonna unbox a cordless steam iron. This one. This is Panasonic NI-WL30VSK. There's actually two variants of this Panasonic cordless steam iron, but obviously I bought the cheaper one. Yeah, the other model would be NI-WL41VSK. Before I unbox this one that I got, I'm gonna give you the differences between the two models. The price difference between the two models are actually 100 ringgit Malaysia. With that 100 difference, there's actually four differences that sets the two models apart, which are the steam output. For this model, the steam output would be 10 gram per minutes. I'm not really sure what is this actually, like gram minutes perhaps. For the other model, 11 gram per minutes. A little bit of difference over there. And then the second one would be the water tank capacity. This model 120 cc and the other model is 135 cc. And then the most obvious one would be this doesn't comes with easy storage carrying case with handle, while the other one, the black and purple, yeah, I forgot to tell you, the color also different, very much different. You can tell them apart just by looking at their color. This one is white and purple, while the other one is black and purple. So the black and purple is the expensive one, and that one comes with a easy storage carrying case with handle, which means you can take that anywhere you want, just put it inside a carrying case, while this one, no. So for those who just want to use it at home just like me, it doesn't really matter. But for you guys who love to bring your iron anywhere you go, perhaps you should get the other one, the more expensive one. There's also an auto shut off mode for that one, the expensive one, but not for this one. So yeah, that one, the expensive one, is also much more secure, I guess. Yeah, and that's it, I think. I mean, the obvious differences between the two models. Of course, the weight is also different. Well, actually the first time I encountered this kind of iron was when I was in Korea. Yeah, we have this kind of iron in our studio apartment, and that was the first time I was like, wow, this thing is amazing. So I was like, you know what, one day I'm gonna get myself one of these things. And it took me about 3 years to finally get one, because obviously the price is a little bit of a stretch compared to the conventional iron. But I have to say, this one, the Panasonic one, actually price wise it's not really that bad. I mean, it's not really that expensive. I've seen more expensive iron from other brands which are not cordless. That's why I decided to get this one, and I love Panasonic brand as well. So anyway, yeah, I bought this from Panasonic official store in Shopee actually, because they provide free shipping. Let's just cut the crap and let's unbox this iron now. Okay? Warranty, operating instructions. Ta-da! I love the shape. It looks like an eye, a big eye. It's actually smaller than I've expected, quite heavy as well. But I love the weight. Yeah, it's just my personal preferences. I do love iron with some weight. Not too heavy, but this have a good weight. This is nice. Looks cute, really cute. Like seriously. So this is the base. This goes like this. Yeah, Panasonic. Let's put this to test and iron some clothes, okay? Welcome to my so-called walk-in closet. Actually, I already filled the water tank. The water tank you can easily take off just like this. So cute, right? I already filled the water to almost maximum level. This is the max level, and you pour in the water from here. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put this back on. Just slide it in, and that's it. And now I'm gonna switch this on. I'm gonna iron my shirt. I have this shirt which look, as you can see, with really bad creases. So yeah, I'm gonna iron this one. For the temperature select button, there's only 3 options: 0, 1, 2, 3, of course 4 including the 0. The temperature select scale is not only to select the temperature but also to select the steam. When using the steam, please set the temperature select scale to 2 or 3. Preheat the iron until the thermostat operating indicator light goes out. Let's just try iron this shirt. I think I have to wait a little bit more for it to heat up, even though I thought it was heated up enough. Maybe it's not. And now, let's try. Wow, okay. So yeah, there's the steam. Okay, nice. When there is insufficient steam emitted during use, set the iron back on the power base to reheat it for approximately 30 seconds. The light is still on, so I'm gonna wait until the light goes off. Okay, the light goes off. Now I'm gonna take this on. The result, I wouldn't say top notch because this is a cotton shirt. You can still see some creases, like hard creases. You know what, I'm just gonna try to iron the whole shirt. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you guys, the result. Honestly, I'm not impressed. I've tried my best to iron my shirt, but as you can see, the hard creases is still there. Yeah, so I'm really sorry Panasonic, but this is a disappointment for me. That's my honest review. I'm still gonna give my final verdict about this item. As I've said earlier, I have to say it is quite a disappointment, but there's actually some things that I really love about this iron. Okay, the first one would be the shape of this iron. The eye-shaped plate, I have to say, is amazing. It makes this iron really easy to maneuver around the shirt. Seriously, right now I just wish every iron out there would just change to this shape. Please make more iron with this shape. This is amazing. And then I also love the weight. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. Really is a pleasant experience ironing with this iron. I mean, in terms of the weight, yeah, I really love the weight. It's perfect for me. But unfortunately, I think that's the only good thing I could say about this iron for now. Because apart from that, I have to say the maximum temperature a bit low, I think. It didn't manage to iron out the hard creases of my cotton shirt. But in another way, that is actually a good thing as well, because it kind of like secure your shirt from getting burnt. Yeah, okay, I think that's the good side of the temperature. Everything else is okay. I think that's all for this unboxing and review video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.